First, we'll look at the disassembly procedure for F5M41 type transmission. First, follow the disassembly procedure as shown here. Backup lamp switch. Speedometer gear. Select lever. Interlock plate bolt. Control housing. Restrict ball. And poppet spring. Next, remove the seating cap as shown. This seating cap cannot be reused. Remove the reverse idler gear shaft mounting bolts. Next, to remove the transmission case, expand the snap ring and remove it from the snap ring groove of the ball bearing. When removing the reverse idler gear shaft, shift the third fourth speed synchronizer sleeve toward the fourth speed side and remove the reverse idler gear shaft. After removing the front bearing retainer, remove the input-output shafts and shift fork assemblies together. Be careful not to lose these two steel balls of the reverse shift lug. Finally, remove the differential. You have now finished disassembling the transmission body.